Have you ever wondered how commercial air fresheners are made? What if I told you that you can produce a high quality air freshener right from the comfort of your home with a small amount of capital and turn it into a profitable business? Just come closer. I will show you step by step how to make a commercial quality air freshener that smells amazing, is easy to produce, and has a great business potential. Whether you are looking for an additional source of income or simply want to make your own air freshener for home use, this tutorial got you covered. Just relax and let's get started.
Got a pocket full of daydreams, watch me glow.
You are welcome back. I need this 25 liters of air freshener for someone for an event as a souvenir. Though I'm not the one that packaged it, she packaged it herself. And as you can see, I still have extra for my own personal use. Talking about the profit, yes, it's highly profitable. I made times 3 of my capital. That is, I make double profits. Let's just go to the business of today. Here are all the ingredients I will be using for today's production. And with today's production, you'll be able to make 1.5 liter. If you want to make 3 liter, 5 liter, 10 liters, 15 liters, just to multiply the recipe and you are good to go. Even if you want to make 100 liter, just multiply the recipe and you are good to go. Get your mixing bowl, dry mixing bowl, and make sure you get the one that is enough to contain whatever quantity you want to make. The first ingredient that goes into my mixing bowl is tesapon. 20 grams of tesapon. Just put your eye on the screen. I'll be writing the recipe and the quantity. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also subscribe if you are yet to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I love you. Let's moving forward. The next ingredient I'm adding is my fragrance. I use 100 ml of tangerine plus vanilla. I mix tangerine and vanilla together, so making it 100 ml. You can use any fragrance of your choice and you can do your mixture on your own. It all depends on whatever you love. I added it and I stir it together. I make sure both blend well. I mix it gently until both the fragrance and tesapon mix well without separation. And the next ingredient I'm adding is ethanol. Ethanol, I use 400 ml. 400 ml of ethanol. So you can get all these chemicals where you normally buy your soap ingredients. Like all this liquid soap and the rest, where you get their ingredients, you can get all these chemicals there. Just go there with your measurement and you are good to go. Then I gently added my ethanol into the mixture of fragrance and tesapon. As I add and I continue mixing it gently, I mix my ethanol together with my fragrance and tesapon. And if you want to know what all these chemicals, all the ingredients, the function of all these ingredients in the air freshener, kindly get our ebook. The function of each chemical is well detailed in the ebook, and also you will know the type of ingredients that you can add, the one that you can minus, and also the secret of the scents last longer. You will get it right inside the ebook. The next ingredient I'm adding is my clean water. Use clean water or distilled water, just 1 liter. 1 liter of clean water. As I'm adding it, I'm stirring it gently. Don't stir vigorously, because if you do, it will start foaming like a soup. Remember, we use tesapon. This is another fast-selling business that you can just venture into, especially if you don't have anything that you are doing now and you are complaining, I don't have big capital to start a business, to do soap, to do this and that. This business, you can start with as little as 10 to 20,000. Get your packaging bottle, tell people around you first, your friends, your neighbors. Introduce it to them. Just market yourself, package yourself well, and market your products. At the end of the day, something must come in and you'll be proud of yourself. I continue adding my water gradually, just to avoid it foaming unnecessarily. Even with that, you can see it's still bubbling like a soap. But don't worry, everything will settle in no time. As it is now, I've added my thickener. You can see the container of the thickener beside the mixing bowl. So, and you can see, you can look through the mixture that is thick now. You can see that it's thick. It's a bit thick. It's thicker than when I added water to it. I don't know why the camera did not capture when I added my thickener to it. Thickener, I just add only 1 spoon. 1 spoon, you can add up to 20 grams, 10 to 20 grams of thickener. They also sell it where this is a thickener that most of you that have maybe made Isa before. This kind of thickener that you put last when you are making your Isa. So the same thickener is the one we added to it. So I added it to it and I stir it. I make sure it's mixed together with it very well. After stirring well for the thickener to dissolve completely, the next thing is to cover it. I cover it for just like 5 minutes. 5 minutes, then I come back to it to add color to it. Color is an optional. You can see I've already bottled it. You can leave it white like that if you don't want to add color to it. I've already bottled half of it, let's say 1 liter, into my 1 liter packaging bottle. You can see it, very beautiful. The color is sweet. Then the one inside the small the other small one that is remaining, now I added pink color to it just to show you if you want to add color to it. This one is just for my own use, so but just to let you know that you can still add color to it no matter what. You can see the pink color now. The pink color is beautiful. So after adding color to it, just look for any packaging bottle of your choice. Go out there, there are different types of packaging bottle, beautiful bottles that you can buy. Customize it, do your stickers, put your sticker on it, sell to your neighbors, sell to people around you, supply people around you, and you see money will start coming in because it's profitable. It is so profitable. Try and see, and you will come back and tell me thank you. So now you can see I'm bottling it, putting it into my packaging bottle. And when you get your bottle, make sure you buy the one with a spray cover. I love sieving it before packaging it. So in case if there's any small particles, the sieve will remove the dirt and leave your products very neat. Don't forget, we have 50 household products ebook that you can sit in your house, well detailed and made 50 good household products. Even if you don't want to be selling all these household products, it's a thing that you can get as personal use and be making all the products inside just for you and your family, and you will see that it's going to save you money. And I hope you have learned something in today's tutorial. If so, give this video a thumb up. Comment in the comment section. If you want to ask any question, just go to the comment section, drop your question, and I'll be right there to answer you. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, hit your notification bell so that you will get notified when I drop another amazing tutorial just like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.